we explore this ancient pyramid, the Luxor. I'm Elisa, and this is Elisa Does Life in Las Vegas. Today, we are diving into one of the most iconic and mysterious landmarks on the Las Vegas Strip, the Luxor Hotel and Casino. From its striking pyramid design to the mind-blowing ancient Egyptian theme, the Luxor is more than just a hotel. When you walk into the Luxor, you get a sense of mysteriousness, this feeling like none other from any hotel that you may visit on the Strip. Its design is really unique, and you just feel like you want to stare at everything and take it all in. So I can say that the Luxor has done something right. So follow me and let's walk through and explore all that the Luxor has to offer. The feeling that you get when you enter the Luxor is a step back in time. The Egyptian theme offers such an immersive experience, from the Sphinx guarding the entrance to the Egyptian statues and hieroglyphics decorating the hotel. According to vacationers, the Luxor is a place that they love to stay because it offers affordable pricing. Compared to other hotels on the Strip, the Luxor is relatively budget-friendly. You can choose between the pyramid rooms or the tower rooms. The pyramid rooms are located inside the pyramid structure of the hotel, and they have a unique layout due to the sloped walls of the pyramid. And as you can see in this video, the inside atrium that we're looking at is actually the rooms. They're bordering the pyramid around the whole inside. The rooms also don't offer elevators. They reach their rooms by inclinators. It's an elevator that moves at an angle. So for most travelers, this is really nice, fun, and exciting. You can choose the tower rooms that are located adjacent to the pyramid. We will now make our way up to the atrium. The atrium inside the Luxor is one of the largest in the world, soaring above the casino floor and filled with vibrant attractions, restaurants, and bars. Walking through this area is an experience in itself due to the sheer scale and design. The features and attractions help make the Luxor Las Vegas a distinctive part of the Strip, combining its famous pyramid shape and a mix of entertainment, education, and luxury. Let's explore the atrium and see what it has to offer so that you can decide what you want to do when you visit the Luxor Las Vegas on your next vacation. So let's explore the Blue Man Group, which I have seen probably more than 4 times. The Blue Man Group will rock your world, blow your mind, and unleash your spirit. Leave your expectations at the door and let these 3 bald blue men take you on a spectacular journey. You're going to experience music, laughter, and surprises. Believe me, this is a really fun show. That's why I've seen it multiple times. A Las Vegas staple and a must-see show is Carrot Top. I first saw Carrot Top over 20 years ago when he was at the MGM. I have seen him several times. He is funny to this day. If you're looking for laughs, Carrot Top is a show to see at the Luxor. experience the wonder and tragedy of the world's most famous ocean liner, the Titanic. Over 250 authentic artifacts recovered from the wreck site of the Titanic, as well as extensive recreations of some of the most famous rooms from the ship. Make this an educational and entertaining experience when you visit the Luxor Las Vegas. Immerse yourself in the greatest archaeological discovery of all time, discovering King Tut's tomb. Discover why Egyptians use mummification as a way to preserve and honor their pharaoh leader. Enter the world that sparkles with gold and learn what treasures themselves reveal about the boy king in ancient Egyptian culture. We're not done with this tour yet. The Luxor has more to offer. How about seeing bodies? Real bodies. This exhibition showcases 13 whole body specimens and more than 260 organs, fully preserved, and this will give you an education like none other. So if you want to see what your body truly looks like from the inside out, visit Bodies at the Luxor Las Vegas. Let's head downstairs to the casino floor. The Luxor's gaming floor offers a variety of options for both the casual player like myself or serious gamblers. The Luxor gaming floor covers 120,000 square feet, offering a wide range of gaming experiences from slot to table games. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Luxor Las Vegas and you found plenty of things to do on your next vacation. If you like this video, please be so kind to give me a like and tune in next week as we explore the Excalibur. This is Elisa with Elisa Does Life Las Vegas. Click subscribe and your notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload my next video.